Alright, TikTok, it's a special one. This is an Asus motherboard, I believe, that needs some socket replacements. Now, that's one big-ass motherboard. Alright, so these are the sockets right here where the CPU sits. If you can see, a bunch of pins are messed up over there. And on this socket as well, a bunch of pins are messed up over here. This Asus motherboard is huge. Huge. One of the largest boards to ever go on the Metcal. And I'm pretty psyched about this one. Still at phase 1 right now. Got a few. Alright, so the socket is removed. We have it over here. Let's clean up and put the new socket on. So we're ready with the flux and the new actual socket. However, if you guys can notice here, there's a notch right there. The customer supplied a slightly different socket. So we're back again with that Asus motherboard over here. And we removed this socket and we removed this socket. We prepped both sockets and now it's time to install. So let's put the sockets on and install them. Alright, here we go. We're on phase 1 right now. The preheat. Over here. Let's go. Alright, the last phase is complete and it's perfectly aligned. It's doing the automatic cooling. And right here, controlled cooling. And we're gonna put the second chip on. I mean the second socket. The second socket is being installed right now. Phase 1. And these are the two sockets that we removed earlier. Right here. They're pretty huge. Very big. That's it, folks. I forgot I was doing the TikTok, so I didn't really show the final product, but it's done. It's gonna get packaged tomorrow and it's gonna get shipped out. Alright, there you have it.